Oola Boola. Oola 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 Boola. OolaBoola. Oola 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 Oola. Boola. Oola Boola.
OolaBoola.
Boola 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 Boola. Ala Boola Boola Boola. Boola Boola Boola. Boola la la Boola la la Boola. Boola 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 Oola Oola. Boola Boola Oola Boola. Oola Boola. Oola Boola Oola. Oola 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 Boola. Oola Boola Oola. Oola Boola. Boola 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 Boola. OolaBoola. Boola Boola. Boola Oola. OolaBoola Oola. Boola Boola.
Please, can we put our hands together for the new leader of OolaBoola Land, and that is Kaya! We want to vote of acceptance, please, in OolaBoola language.
Oola Boola Oola 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 la 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 la. Hello, and today we are talking about social media. Social media has a big impact on teenagers nowadays. Unrealistic pictures on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat can affect young children by thinking that, oh, they're not perfect enough, or running things through their mind which gives them a fixed mindset.
Games such as GTA can damage kids' future, as them seeing graphic stuff such as guns, shooting, robbing. It can make them think that it's normal for them, and this can be bad for them as it can impact the future.
Well done, really nice.